Hello everyone, let's discuss our next lesson, Glimpses of India and Tea from Assam, written by Arup Kumar Datta. And this story is about two boys, Pranjal and Rajveer, and they were classmates. Pranjal belonged to Upper Assam and his father is a manager in a tea garden in Dekabari tea garden, and they were going to Assam during summer vacations, and Rajveer was excited to see the tea garden first time, although Pranjal didn't show any excitement on it. And at last they reached Assam, and in this story writer explained also some legend related to tea, and also describe the history of tea. And the most expected question of this lesson is this first one: who were Pranjal and Rajveer and where were they going? I already described these answers. And second, which story of a Chinese emperor is associated with discovery of tea? Or in other words, what's the Chinese legend about tea? A Chinese emperor always drank water after boiling it, and one day when the water was boiling, some leaves put into the water, and it improved the flavor and it improved the taste of the water, and it is said that these are tea leaves. तो ये जो है वो चाइनीज एम्परर के बारे में है, और वहाँ से फिर चाय स्टार्ट हुई. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द इंडियन लेजेंड अबाउट द डिस्कवरी ऑफ टी? तो इंडियन जो लेजेंड है वो क्या है? बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क है, एंड ही फील्ड स्लीपी ड्यूरिंग मेडिटेशन, एंड ही कट ऑफ हिज आईलिड्स, एंड 10 प्लांट ग्रो ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ आईलिड्स, एंड इफ द लीव्स ऑफ दीज प्लांट्स पुट इनटू बॉइलिंग वाटर एंड ड्रैंक इट वेनिस्ड sleep. So it is called that these are tea plants. Next है, where was tea first drunk and when did tea came to Europe? Tea was first drunk in 2700 BC in China, and it is came in Europe in 16th century, not as beverage but as medicine. Next है, what is the best time or season for tea production? तो सबसे बेस्ट है जुलाई टू सितंबर. And what excited Rajveer? Why did Pranjal not share his excitement? क्या चीज़ थी जो प्रांजल को तो एक्साइट नहीं कर रही थी, लेकिन राजवीर को तो वो क्या थे? The beautiful sceneries of Assam and also tea garden.